welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to make Talatouri, a creamy, thick, refreshing dip that is so easy to make and tastes amazing. So let's get started. All you Greek Cypriots out there will know what I'm talking about, and those of you that have been to Cyprus will also know what I'm talking about. But if you haven't got a clue what I'm talking about, then you may know Talatouri's cousin Tzatziki, which comes from Greece. The difference between the two is us Greek Cypriots add dried mint to our dip, which adds a touch of sweetness to it, but the rest of it is exactly the same. Velvety Greek yogurt, cool and refreshing cucumber, and hints of garlic. First things first, what you've got to do is try and get your hands on these smaller, organic looking cucumbers rather than your standard supermarket big ones, because if you look inside you can see the seeds. There's hardly any seeds in this, where there's loads of seeds in this one, and this is going to add so much water to your dip, which is going to make it all watery and nasty and runny, which we don't want a runny dip. We want to have a dip that's thick and creamy. So try your best to get your hands on this cucumber, but if you're stuck with this because you can't find any of the little ones, what you got to do is get a spoon and scrape out all the seeds out and then grate your cucumber. Then you should have less moisture in your dip. Right, now grate about a big handful of your cucumber. So depending on the size of your cucumber will depend on how many cucumbers you grate. I've used 2 of the small cucumbers and they've given me a nice big handful of cucumber. Right, now get a bowl and put a sieve on top, and then put all your grated cucumber in it.
Salty.
Sprinkle over with some salt and then run it round with your hands so the salt can get into your cucumber, and then the salt now will draw out all the water and moisture from the cucumber, so we're going to have less water in our dip. And then put it to one side for about 10 minutes while it works its magic. Now look how much water has come out of our cucumbers. What we've got to do now is give it a really good squeeze to get any more water out. See all that? Now all this would be going into our dip, which we don't want. Doing this simple step makes our dip next level, because we don't want dips like everyone else, we want the best dips, and this is what makes your tzatziki or Talatouri amazing. Now add your cucumber to your dish, then add your Greek yogurt. I'm using a whole tub of Greek yogurt, and my tub is 500 grams. So add it all in. I'm using the full fat Greek yogurt because it's more thick, but you can do it with the low fat one as well. It just won't be as thick. Stir it in a little. It smells so nice. Alright, that'll do for now. Right, now add your garlic. I'm grating, I've got 1 clove, but I'm only going to grate about 1/4 or maybe 1/3 of it, because I don't know if it's because I've got organic garlic or not, but it's really strong and it makes it like it overtakes the dip. And makes it burn, and you don't taste the creaminess. It makes it really hot, and we want our dip to be refreshing. So that should be enough garlic. But if you really like garlic, if you really like garlic, then you can add more than I have. Now don't worry about your breath stinking of garlic when you're doing this. Don't skip the garlic, because the garlic adds a little hint of heat, which balances well with the coolness of the yogurt. Plus, whoever you're going to be with, make it for them, make them eat it. So if your breath stinks of garlic, their breath stinks of garlic, you both stink of garlic, so it won't bother you. So don't skip the garlic. A tiny bit, that's all you need. Give it another good stir so everything mingles well. Then the last bit is to add some dried mint. So with the dried mint, I don't ever measure it, I just sprinkle some on.
Sweetie.
As much as I think. That smells so tasty. Give it a lovely good stir. And then look at this. Look how thick it is. Yeah, look how long it's taken to, oops. Look how long it's taken to drop off the spoon, yeah? It's not no watery Tzatziki Talatouri. This is how it should be. Nice, thick. Look at this. Don't go cheating and using different yogurt. You have to use Greek yogurt because Greek yogurt is like the thickest yogurt. Oh, look at it. It's so good. You know what? It's so creamy. The anguri, which is in Greek cucumber, you taste the little bits, which adds a little bits of crunch. Oh my days, it's so. You know what? I could sit there and just eat the whole thing. The garlic is perfect. You can't even taste it. Like, it's not overpowering. So good. This is the best Talatouri, Tzatziki, Greek yogurt dip, whatever you want to call it. This is the best. I guarantee you. So tasty. What I need is some bitters. Bitter Talatouri. You know what? This is just like the best snack, healthy snack. So tasty. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!